Alright, so today we're going to check out some updates in the new Intertwine tool. Let's select the rectangle and make a line like this. Press and hold Alt, drag it down. Also press Shift, release, press Ctrl D to duplicate a lot of times, and press it a lot of times until you get a pattern like this. Select all, right click, group, arrange it to the center. And now we're going to go to the object, envelope distort, and select make with mesh. Make sure that the mesh rows and columns are 4 on 4. Click OK. And as you can see, it created these little points in here, which we're going to need to distort. Basically, those are the anchor points. So select the direct selection tool from here. And I'm going to go and select one of these anchor points and just drag it, and it's going to distort it. And I'm going to do the same with the rest. And it looks something like this. Deselect it, and let's select it again. Go to Object, Expand. Click OK. From here, let's select the type tool, and I'm gonna go here, type in the letter S, press and hold Shift plus Alt to scale it up, and I'm gonna go and select the Archivo font, and I'm gonna select the expanded black. Right click, create outline, press and hold Shift to rotate 45-degree angles, and I'm gonna position it something like this, make it fit, and I'm gonna select both. Let's go to Object, let's go to the Intertwine and select Make. Now I'm going to zoom in and check this out. If I'm going to place the mouse to these lines, it is going to highlight it. So I'm going to click and it's going to put the line above the text. It is going to intertwine it successfully. This is pretty nice. I'm going to uncheck it. Let's see how it looks without being selected. It looks pretty dope. But if you want to go back, you can select it and you can go to Object, Intertwine, and let's go to Edit, and this way you can go and edit it. So let's say that you don't like the very first one, you want to go back, you want to push this blue line under the text. But you cannot do that, you cannot press Ctrl Z a lot of times because you're gonna lose all the composition, all the work basically. So what you can do is zoom in, press and hold Alt, and click on it. So it's gonna put it back, or you just click on it, it is gonna bring it to the front. This feature is super good. And this is how I work with the new Intertwine tool here in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.